Here's how you can go about hiding your photo or video albums on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro phone or any other Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 phones with Android 14 Hyper OS. To get started, basically you want to be using the default gallery app that your phone came with, which is this one right here. All right, so you have the photos section and the album section. And the only way to actually hide these photos, you will have to put them in an album, okay? So for demonstration purposes, what I'm gonna do now is create an album here. And let's just say I wanna hide these photos here. So go ahead and select them. You'll select the ones you would want. And maybe these three here, I wanna hide them, okay? So you go ahead to go and add to an album here. You'll see add to album here, tap on that, and you will see the option to create one or private. If you switch to the private, that's gonna hide it after you create it. Or if you wanna just create it first and then hide it, you'll go to create an album. Okay, so create an album, and I'm just gonna say hide this one here, just to know that this is the one that we wanna hide, okay? Now, you name it what you wanna name it. I'll press okay, and you can choose to move the photos or copy it. And of course, if you're hiding them away, you'll want to move them away from where they are originally. Okay, so we'll go with move. And now you want to go to where it says albums. Okay, so as we're here in the album section, you'll go down and look for that album here. And in order to hide it now, you'll find the album, long press it. And when it's selected like this here, you'll see the option to hide it, this right here, okay? And when you tap on that, it's gonna ask you if you wanna hide it, yes or no, and you'll press okay, and it's gonna be hidden for you, okay? Now, if you were curious to know how this really works, it's not a super secure thing. It can easily be accessed once the person goes into the settings of the album itself. So basically, it just hides it away from the public view or public eye, okay? And when you want to view it now, you'll be in these little three dots right here. So you want to be under the album section here again, go to the three dots right there, and you'll go to where it says settings right there. As you enter into the settings now, you are going to go down the list of all the options and you'll see the browse section. You'll see the view hidden albums. And this is where you can go into the albums that you hid. And the only way you can actually view them now is to come here and view them. And of course, if you want to unhide them now, let's just say I want to take them out from the hidden section here. Notice how there's that option here, unhide. And when I do that, it's going to say displayed among other albums once you unhide it. And then you do that, you press OK, it's going to be removed. And it's going to come back to where it was after a while. Okay, so it's not a high security privacy thing, but it just simply hides it away. And if you've been looking for that, that's where you can go to do this and repeat it again if you need to. Like and sub.